Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix verification required on Discord. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you just have to open up the Discord application on your iPhone or Android device or on your computer or laptop device. Alternatively, you can also go to the Discord website, but I'm just gonna do it on my iPhone, so I'm just gonna go to Discord, and then I'm just gonna click on my profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you just have to go to settings, then account, and here you have to put in your email, your phone number, and you can just verify your email and phone number. And this is how you verify your Discord account. So yeah guys, this is how you fix verification required on Discord. This is how you fix this error. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.